How to power on your iPhone when the power button is not functioning well. So many reasons might result to the power button not functioning well as a result of dust, moisture, and others. So in this video, guys, I will help you power off your iPhone without the power button. Not only that, guys, you need the power button to lock the screen of your iPhone. As well, in this video, guys, I will guide you on what to do, guys, to unlock the screen of your iPhone without the power button. To power off your iPhone, you need to connect the charger or the charging cable to a socket. Then once you've connected to the socket, plug it to the charging port and wait a few seconds. You should see the iPhone logo popping up. Just wait a few seconds. Now your phone has been powered on. You can now start navigating your phone again by providing your password to unlock your iPhone. Now I promise that I'll give you a tips to lock your phone screen by pressing the power button once the power button is no more functioning. Now let's go to setting and tap on it. Then go to accessibility, tap on it. Then guys, go to touch, tap on it. We're going to make use of assistive touch, tap on it. Make sure you tap on assistive touch, it's open. Now doing so, guys, it brings this particular floating button that you can move around to anywhere on the screen. So now to use this as a power button, once tap on the assistive touch, you have so many options here. It can bring out your controls panel. Tap on it again, it can open the device. You have a lot of options here. So tap on it again, you have bell, you have scroll, you have so many things you can use to access your Siri. So let's tap on device. Once tap on device, it comes up like this lock screen. Tap on it. So it means by tapping on it, guys, you're able to lock screen on your device without using the power button again. So that's all, guys. If you enjoyed this tip and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.